Okay, so advanced 9 round of breathings. So first, same as before, like this. So then do, okay, like this. Now breathing, before we do 3, right? 3, but now here you do 9 times. 9 times. So first 3 is a natural, long, gentle, no sound. Then 3 feminine, long, gentle, with little sound that you can hear. So 3 times. Then you do again 3 masculine. Okay, short, rough, and a lot of noises. We clean. You see 9 times. Okay, then you go back. Same. Then do the opposite. Again 9. Yeah. Okay, and then together 9. So we do 27 times. So for women, you always start with the cleaning left. So that means you always close left. Okay, so like this. Here, remember this, you hit here, and then like this, then you do like this. Okay, you touch, then you go right. So you go right. Yes, like this, hit, close, and now here. Okay, now first breathe out, and now long, gentle, no sound. 3 times. Okay. Now 3 feminine that you can hear. Three masculine. Release. Now back again. Now you do opposite. Okay, opposite now. Okay, yeah, again 9 times. First 3 long, gentle, no sound. So no sound. Okay. Now 3 with sound that you can hear. Three masculine. Okay. Now then you release and then do like this. Okay. Put it on your knee. As you breathe in, you can make the fist. Okay. Watch the fist. So breathe in 3 times again without sound, long, gentle, no sound. And release. long gentle no sound. 3 times. See that you can hear. Listen to your breath that you can hear. Now masculine 3 times, so bend 3 times like this. Again. So you don't need to bend so, like that, but you just bend so that you can feel the force like this, yeah. Like that, okay? So, good. So now what happens is you clean the left channel. So in the left channel, you see, basically there are 27 degree of energy that flow, but we only clean 9 times, okay? So that's too advanced. So at least for natural, there are 3 degrees, and then feminine 3 degrees, and masculine 3 degrees. So that's a representation, And then here same and together same. So during that practice, you basically clean the 3 channels very well. Okay. So then if you do this with the visualization and do it properly, it will actually change your life. Very, very simple, it's very, very simple, but it's very, very powerful. Okay. Because we are cleaning all the bad energy, all the impure energy from our body. So it's very, very good. So now here, when you do this, time we talked about it's green, and then smoke. Okay. So now when you do 3 times, so the first 3 you change the visualization. Okay. So first, now because I'm closing this, so here comes green, same. And from here, now you change, right? Like this, because you're closing the left energy. And now when you release, black. Okay. So that you visualize that you see, I'm taking in all the essence of the 5 elements. Now, because essence of the 5 elements is like a medicine, So now I'm cleaning all the physical disorder, okay? Diseases related hatred, anger, okay? Related to this. So now you clean, black now coming out. So, okay? So all diseases related to hatred or anger, whatever you call it, okay? Good, finished. And then second, because it's now long, gentle, no sound, so you can do very long. And second, then what you do, now you breathe in like 5 color energy, like rainbow, okay? Rainbow color coming, okay? Now here, women, start. Rainbow color. So this, if you are spiritual, then you receive the blessings of the higher being, Okay, higher being. So for example, like Allah, or Jesus Christ, or Buddha, or your teacher, whatever visualization, visualize, but the energy coming in a form of rainbow color. So it goes in to the right and here. Now it's coming opposite, right? So close. So now when and it's coming out again, come in a form of smoke, but this time all the negative emotions related to hatred, okay, coming out. Okay, so basically we clean first the physical disorder, second mental disorder. Okay, good. So visualize this. And third visualization is now white color. Okay, so you like this. So now white energy coming in. And then black energy coming out. That energy is, because energy is of two types, prana. It's called the karmic energy and wisdom energy. Okay, I explained a little bit in the past. So the karmic energy, now you receive the wisdom energy in a form of white, and now you click the karmic energy in a form of black smoke. So now you think that you visualize that I have no karmic energy related to hatred. Okay, so it's all about cleaning the hatred. About the snake, you remember last time we talked about snake. So snake. So you clean everything related with the in the women is the left channel. You clean everything. And then you go back. Okay, so first three, you do like this. And then you do feminine, right? Feminine, I mean three, right? It's difficult to visualize because it's quite short. So you do continue. And then if you can visualize. If not, no need. And then you go back, okay? Now what happens is your left channel is open, right? So for women, now you breathe in, same as before, but when you release, first you release the physical disorder, then mental disorder, and then karmic impure energy, which are related to attachment, which are related to the bird, the pigeon. Remember these three poisons. Okay, so visualize like that, same as earlier, but related to attachment. The pull force. Okay. Previously, it's a push force. Right? Remember, so it's a pull and push and pull. So push is quite dangerous. Pull is quite nice, but it is still very dangerous. Okay. Then same visualization. Then you do the feminine, yeah, 3 times, and then masculine 3 times. Okay. So you can do a little bit strong like this. And then you release. Now you breathe in green. Now you clean the central channel. So first is green, and then again black smoke. From here, if you like, or it's coming from here. Here, okay? It's up to you. It's coming down. There's 2 ways. If you wish, you can do here also. Now this is related to the pig. Okay? Physical disorder related to the ignorance is being cleaned. Then second, again, long gentle no sound in a rainbow color. And now this, again, cleaning related to the emotions, the negative emotions. And then you bring in white, again, black. It's a karmic energy. Okay, so you bring in first green, which represents the 5 elements, the essence of the 5 elements. Second, you bring in the spiritual power in the form of 5 colors, and you clean the negative emotions. And third, you bring in the wisdom energy, and then clean the karmic energy. Okay, so in this way, it becomes very, very powerful, and it in itself is a meditation. Understood? Any questions? So basically, you do 27 breaths. Okay, so you need time, time to clean this, because everybody is so busy. So 9 rounds. but actually it's 27,999. That makes 27. Okay, but in your time you do 27, 27, 27. That's the complete, the highest form of cleaning the three channels. Fine. Okay. Now 5 elements in our body composition, which I think I explained earlier. Okay, little bit more. Yeah. So we have earth element, sap, water, fire, and then we have wind. Okay, they have the same power. Okay, same energy, same potential, but this is most gross. Okay, solid. Earth is very solid. Water. Then no, it's solid, sap, water, fire, and wind. When we were formed, we formed like that. Okay, the consciousness comes, okay, enters. It's the two energies of father and mother, and then so it's just the wind, and then it change into fire, warm, then liquid, and then solid. So that's how we are formed. Now we have very solid, like a body. It looks very solid. But when we die, it goes back opposite. Okay, earth dissolves into water, water dissolves into fire, and fire dissolves into wind, and wind dissolves back into space. So it's very interesting. For example, let's take bean seed. Okay, bean seed. If you keep there, it will remain. But if you destroy it, it will never grow into a bean plant. So, but now what happens? You have to what do you call it? Destroy the bean in order to have bean. In order to have many beans, you have to destroy the seed. So two ways of destruction. Yeah? Either you can burn it and destroy it, or you can destroy the seed by giving water, soil, sunlight, etc. So now what happens is, if you put this in soil, the earth element will start dissolving. Okay, so it will rot. So what happens is the earth element will dissolve into water. So it goes inside more. And then again, the water element will dissolve, and it dissolves into fire element. Then fire elements destroyed into wind element. So now it dissolves these elements slowly, So that's how we rot the being. So then the wind energy is inside. Then it becomes so powerful, then it will shoot. It will just come wherever there is a hole. Okay? So for example, the bean seed, this is the hole. If you put like this, it will grow like this, If you do like this, it will grow from here. So wherever there's a hole, the wind energy will come. It will explode. And then we have a new sapling, or I don't know what you call it. It will shoot, and then it will grow. So that's how the elements dissolve and then come back. So it's same with our body. Okay. So basically, we are made of 5 elements. Make it clear. So visualization, fine. Your ball of energy. Okay. Now we do with this visualization, we do exercise. Right. Okay, now breathe out first. Now close. Now do first breathing, long general nose sound, bring energy. It reached the joint. Now it's coming out on the left in the form of smoke. In change, rainbow energy. Release the joint. Now release. Change white energy. Release the joint. Change. Now release. Yeah. Now feminine that we can hear. Release the joint and now release. You can hear the sound of the breath. Again. And release. You're still a ball of light. And release. Now masculine 3 times. Okay. Same visualization, they have joined. And change. Breath is still outside. Now bring in green energy. Long general sound. It reach the joint. Now release in a form of smoke, black. Change. Long general sound. Same. Release. Long general sound. One more. And release. Now feminine that you can hear that sound of breath. And release. Masculine. Release your fingers. Now, when you do this, these two side channels, now it enters the middle. So it enters the middle, visualize this, and now do the first. Bring in green energy along general sound. So green. It goes down, 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 down. It's reached when 3 channels meet, and now you release from the center in form of black smoke. Now bring in rainbow color from the 2 nostrils, 5 channels. When you reach the joint, release. Huge smoke coming from the crown. White energy. And middle channel, release. Now do 3 feminine that you can hear. Release from the central channel. Breathe out. And release. Now masculine, same. And release. Okay. Now this ball of energy, there is no diseases, physical diseases, no mental diseases. Now just the with energy. You're free from physical and mental disorders. And relax in that form. After that, you can do meditation. Last time we do only 3 times, right? In the 9 round, not in the beginning. So we breathe in. So visualization before it's like this, yeah. Now in the first 2 steps, it's like this, yeah. Now in the third visualization, you just make it like this. Okay. So these 2 pipes entering the middle pipe. Okay, so what happens now? It's below here and 2 fingers from here it goes inside where the beginning of the central channel is here. So I'm saying here, but it's actually inside. Okay, so in the center of the body you visualize. Okay, then whoop, it goes inside. So now because visualization is clear, so green light coming. You can do here from here, it goes inside. Green light, green light, green light, you're breathing in. So now the 3 channels meet, and now you release. So it goes inside from here, or it curves, and from here it releases. Okay. And then you breathe in rainbow, and it's in and release.
Yeah.
White energy.
Yeah.
Okay, like this.
So it's 1, 1, 1, not 9 each.
9, of course. It's all 9. I said 27. So this is just long, gentle, no sound 3 times. Then we do feminine that you can hear. Okay. Now feminine.
Okay. Got it.
3 times. Then masculine 3 times like this, yeah. Then release 3 times. Okay. If you don't do the beginning properly, then if the advance is quite complex. It's actually same, you know, same, but only difference. Before we do only 3, 3, 3. Now we do 9, 9, 9. Okay. And the visualization we did only the green. Now we do rainbow and white. Okay. But I'm still not going to talk about the, you know, because the different color of smoke is also different, but it becomes too complex, you know. So if you have time, you can do 27 breaths. If you have no time, then you do only the last time, you know, but do it very properly, yeah. Okay. Properly, only green energy, or if you like, or rainbow energy only, or if you like white energy. So you can choose one of the 3 visualizations. Okay. Space come. Okay. Now, when we say in the thought, image comes. So image comes, but image is not outside. Okay. It's not outside. It's inside. And usually the image is in the body. Okay. And especially in your head. Okay. So now Since you're closing your eye like this, but you still see the image, once the image become vivid, okay, vivid, it's clear, image is very clear, now the meditation technique starts. You don't open your eyes, but you watch the image, okay? Understood? You watch the image. So you can roll your eyeball, you know, like this. Oh, where's the image? Is it here, 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 or maybe inside the body? Where's the image? Okay. So when you look at the image, don't open your eyes. Okay. You close your eyes and you watch. Okay? Then you will have two experiences. So you tell me which experience. Okay. Relax. Breathe in and out and close your eyes. Okay, now you reach your home. Okay, open your house or room. Okay, you enter. Now you see your room. Wow, I feel very thirsty. Okay, go to the kitchen. Okay, open the fridge. The light comes. You see. Now take something to drink. And you can see, close the fridge. Okay, the fridge is still clear, vivid. Okay, now watch. Where's the image? Watch. Where's the image inside it? Okay, we come back to fridge. Open the fridge. Light comes. The image is vivid. Bring out the juice. Okay. Hold it on your left hand. Okay, close the fridge. Okay, the image is there. Watch. Where's the image? Is it in the crown? Back? Where is it? Where's the image? Just watch. Or is it inside the body? There's no image. Don't worry. Watch. Go back to the fridge. Open the fridge. Okay. Okay, close the fridge. Watch the image. Where is it? Okay. Open your eyes now. You will have one of the two experiences. Okay. So okay, it disappears for you. Okay. So and Bahar, image disappear or what?
It disappeared.
Oh, very good. Okay, now you can see the color of your fridge. Don't move. Okay, open the fridge. Okay, close it back. So you see the image. Now you have a clear image. Now look at that image. Where is it? Did you just roll your eyeball? Watch. Where is the image? Okay. Now open your eyes. See the image very clearly? Okay. My case is like the two women here. Whenever I look, it always disappears. Okay. But for some people, the image become very vivid. Okay. Both of them are very, very good. Okay. So you must practice this. What happens is when you watch, when it disappears, that means now you are free from thought. But it will stay very short. Okay, very short, maybe like 2 seconds, and then again image come, another image will come. You watch, again it's disappear. Okay, so when there is no image, you're free. That means we call it open awareness. So open awareness, I will talk a little bit after this. So that means whenever there is no image, then there is no thought. They are always overwhelmed by emotions, you know, past thought, And then you always, this image comes, or he did this, he did that, or good, yeah, he came in this, and then you see all this image, and then that makes you, going up, so all this energy move. We talked about energy. So energy move up and down, up and down, up and down. So that's why the emotion come, So it's very, very dangerous. If it's bad, you are carried by the river of emotion. But if you see it clearly, also very good. Then you are enjoying your image. Okay. Now you are like watching. You are looking at me. You say you are looking at me, and then you are free because you're not inside the video. If you are inside the video, you don't see. Okay. Understood? Now you and me, there's a distance. So that's why I watch. So it's same. When you see the image, you can watch. If you can watch, you are free. Okay? Because that means you're not inside the emotion. You're not inside the river emotion. You're free. So you keep watching. You can still see, like this, like you're watching me. So understood? So one of the two experiences, but both are very good experience. But usually when we have thought, we are carried by the emotion. So we have no freedom. Now through this practice, then you can free yourself from this emotion. Okay. And this negative thought, whenever there's a negative thought, it will not influence you. Watch, you're free. And it means the negative emotion and you are different, not one. Many people say, I'm a short-tempered, I was born with short-tempered, and they think this is you, but it's not you. When you get angry, relax. Whenever there's anger, you're angry with something. So that object will appear, very vividly. But actually it's a mental construct. So how do you see? It's a mental construct. You watch, it will disappear, or it comes very vivid, Okay. And then you watch, like this, watch. So you make distance from this. But if it bothers you, that means you're carried by the emotion. Then you suffer. Am I making sense? Okay. So the effect, maybe, whenever there is an emotion and when you see the image, what happens is it affects your body. Okay. So I will teach this, but in the recording I will cut this. Okay. So we will do a very strange experience. Okay. Strange example. Close your eyes. Don't open. Okay. It's like that. Okay. Like that. That's because you free yourself. It's an emotion. And now you look at attachment because it's an emotion. Emotion has no form. You cannot look. But emotion has an image. As soon as you learn to watch the image, see, you can free yourself. It's in a few, maybe like 20 seconds. It happens. When you watch, it will disappear. Okay. So this you practice. Universal, the most you see, everybody is after this, So it's very, very strong. So this creates a lot of problems. Fighting, anger, killing, all this happen because of this strong attachment. Very, very strong. This will give you a lot of problems. Lot of problems. Too much attachment. you know, watch history, you know, it's very interesting. It's because of attachment. Okay, like this. And then when you get angry again, you know, hatred and this all coming from, basically it's coming from attachment, you know. And then this, because you do not know the reality. So now we know how to watch. We know how to watch. Whenever there's emotion, stress, anxiety, we can control. You know? You don't need to take medicine. Anxiety, stress, you know how to control the energy. You know? Just image comes, just relax and watch. And image comes, and physically they should change. Tightness, openness. There's so many physical, you know, sensation. You watch. And again, watch the image. And then let the image come and watch. Did it disappear? Check your sensation. It's very, very, very effective. Now, second is the breath outside. First, you can look at me, okay? You look, and you can look at my eyes, my big nose, and then you can look at my lips and this, yeah? So you will have a very nice or ugly, whatever image, but you can see the image quite clearly, okay? Now, relax and just watch my face, okay? And you can describe it. Oh, he's a long, very big nose. Oh, very ugly. You know, whatever you say, whatever you like. Mentally, you describe. Okay, describe me. Okay. So you see, you can describe quite easily. Okay. Now, next exercise, you breathe in and then you breathe out, and don't breathe in. Okay. You hold the breath outside and then you look at me and you describe. Don't breathe in. Okay. Hold maybe 10 seconds or 20 seconds. Hold outside. No, breathe in. Okay. Ready? Breathe in. Now breathe out. Hold outside. Now describe me. Okay, breathe in. Okay, now tell me experience. What's the difference? What's the difference? Is it same or different?
Look at you. First, it's clear and gentle. I can describe you.
Okay.
When I keep inside without breathe.
Outside, not inside, outside.
Outside, yes. Describe a little bit difficult.
Okay, yes.
Var.
Far? Not so far.
So you practice this and let me know later.
Yeah, no, I did it both ways. It's hard on the second one when the breath is out, because in order to describe, you almost naturally want to take a breath in.
Very good. Okay. So that's true. Because everything that we perceive, okay, it's because of the energy. Okay. So our energy, 2 seconds out, 2 seconds in. Okay, so 4 seconds in one breath. Normal is like this, you know. And then you can describe how everything, it looks very vivid, you know, clear, and you can do all this normal thing. But when you hold the breath outside, what happens is we control the energy. So because breath is outside, when you describe, it becomes fragments, it disappears. So it seems the logic breaks down, and you cannot go back. If you describe this, okay, I move here, you already forget here, forget, or it will not appear. Okay, so that's why you see, because you see everything, we perceive everything real, but actually, when you learn to hold the breath outside, all the you see that right now I'm just this talking about sight. You look, but whenever you have emotions, you know a mother's child died, mother has a lot of problems, always the image comes, it bothers her. But when you learn to hold outside, that image it becomes different. It will not go continuously, it will go appears, disappears, appears, disappears, appears, disappears. That image we learned before. Okay. So in this way, when you learn to practice holding outside, okay, then you become free. Okay. So now the technique is very simple, not really long, not really. Don't hold it long because as a beginner. So what you do, you breathe in very gentle. And then when you breathe out from the mouth and nose together, very gently, and then hold it for 5 seconds. Okay, now we practice, okay? You breathe in and you breathe out from both mouth and nose. Hold. Breathe in. Okay, so we practice for a few minutes. Okay, breathe in. Out. Hold. Breathe in. Out. Do it yourself, okay?
This is both nose and mouth.
Yes. The main idea is holding outside, so 5 seconds, or you just listen to the beat of your heart. You breathe in like 2 big, breathe out like 2 big, and then hold outside for 5 beats of your heart. If you want to close your eyes, it's fine. Don't look at me. Don't watch anything. Okay. So this, according to my teacher, you do this 21 times. This is quite popular practice. Every day, 21 times, 21 times, okay? Breathe in, breathe out, hold, 5 seconds. Then breathe in, out, 5 seconds. So that you do 21 times. All this, you see, emotion, anxiety, they will just come down. Okay, you do every day, and then we learn how to watch thought, the image of thought. So these two very good for keeping yourself happy, calm, relaxed. You will be not overwhelmed, bother with negative emotions. Okay, so that is it for you. Any questions? So I'll stop recording. Okay.